Hello, everyone. Welcome to bottling machinery. This is automatic L-type film packaging machine, located at the end of the production line. The machine can handle many combination formats such as 4 rows and 6 columns, 4 rows and 5 columns. It can be used for plastic bottles, glass bottles, and cans. We also have film packaging machines with cardboard trays and carton packaging machines. This is bottle blowing machine. We have semi-automatic, automatic, and PET can blow molding machine. Our machines can blow PET bottle ranging from 0 to 2 liter, 3 to 10 liter, 10 to 20 liter. We can design the bottle shape as you need. Auxiliary machine include air compressor, air tank, air filter, air dryer, and chiller. The production speed of the machines ranges from 1000 bph to 40,000 bph. This is OPP labeling machine. It is used for OPP labels, which are bonded with hot glue at the seams and are non-adhesive elsewhere. It is typically used on production lines with capacities of 10,000 to 50,000 bottles per hour. This machine is high cost and fast. This is bottle unscrambler machine. All you need to do is pour the scattered empty bottles into the hopper, and the bottle unscrambler machine will sort them out one by one. It is connected to the filling machine and provides empty bottles to the filling machine. We can customize a suitable bottle unscrambler machine according to your bottle shape and production capacity. This is an automatic sleeve shrink labeling machine. It includes a sleeve labeling machine, steam generator, and steam shrink tunnel. The machine cuts sleeve labels, applies them to bottles, and shrinks them with steam. Water droplets on the bottle surface can be dried with a blow dryer. Besides bottle body sleeve labeling machines, we also offer cap sleeve labeling machines. This is semi-automatic film packaging machine. After the bottles are filled, the worker needs to manually place the bottles one by one on the machine's platform and press the button. The rest of the process is fully automatic. This machine is often used in small production lines. This is water filling machine. This machine is the core of the production line, integrating rinsing, filling, capping. It connects to the bottle blowing machine, or bottle unscrambler at the front and the labeling and film packing machines at the back. We also provide an Electrica L cabinet to control the entire production line. This is a high-ratio carbonator mixer. We offer single and double tank mixers. This machine is the core of the carbonated beverage line. Beverages cooled 2 to 4 degrees Celsius are mixed with carbon dioxide in the mixer to create carbonated drinks. The mixer should be placed close to the filling machine. Customers need to provide their own carbon dioxide cylinders and supply the carbon dioxide. This is an automatic double-side labeling machine for flat bottles, which can also label one side. It can be customized for round bottles, making it versatile. It can be equipped with a ribbon coater to print the production date on labels. We also offer 3 label machines, Sing, La Label, 3-side labeling machines, cap labeling machines, slant labeling machines, and more. This is carbonated drink filling machine. The whole line include carbonated drink processing part, water treatment system, bottle blowing machine, bottle washing filling capping machine, bottle warming machine, bottle blow dryer, labeling machine, code printer, film packing maki. The processing part includes syrup melting pot, mixing tank, filter, CO2 filter, chiller, carbonator, CIP system. This is automatic self-adhesive labeling machine, used for round bottles, with a speed of 3,000 bottles per hour. We can assist customers in purchasing labels and designing label content. We also offer self-adhesive labeling machines with speeds of 5,000 bph, 10,000 bph, and fast. We can customize any labeling machine according to the shape of the customer's bottles. This is juice filling machine. The line include fruit processing, juice processing, bottle packaging. Juice processing involves syrup melting pot, mixing tank, double filter, homogenizer, vacuum degasser, sterilization machine, aseptic tank. Bottle packaging include water treatment, tea, bottle blowing and filling machine, cap sterilizer, cooling tunnel, film or carton packing machine. This is aluminum can filling machine. The whole can filling line includes carbonated drink processing part, water treatment system, empty can depletizer, can washing machine, 2-in-1 can filling sealing machine, sleeve shrink labeling machine, film or carton packing machine. This is reverse osmosis water treatment machine. The system provides purified water for filling machines, carbonated beverage, juice, and beer production lines. The RO system includes raw water tank, water pump, quartz sand filter, activated carbon filter, softening filter, PREC, Ison filter, RO membrane, UV sterilizer, ozone sterilizer, and pure water tank. This is 5-gallon bottle water filling line. It includes recycled 5-gallon bottle, decapper and washer. 3-in-1 gallon bottle machine contain the washing, filling, cap pressing part, neck sleeve label shrink labeling machine, bag packing machine, automatic stacker. This is edible oil filling machine. The oil filling machine have rotary filling type and linear filling type. The filling principles include piston type filling, flow meter type filling, and weighing type filling. We can customize the appropriate machine based on the customer's required filling speed, bottle size, and cap type. This is glass bottle filling machine. Glass bottle caps include crown caps and aluminum caps. We have suitable glass bottle filling machines for carbonated drinks, beer, juice, wine, red wine, vinegar. Additionally, we also provide machines for washing recycled glass bottles. Thank you for visiting our factory. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. We still have many machines that cannot be displayed one by one. If you need them, please feel free to ask us.